Yo, it's me, Dantes, and today we're playing Persona 4. Place over. Usually disappearing. Let's try about an hour. And you will have the option to continue up to 10 times after your character becomes a message. So good at not pick the outcome of the story. So your begun settings cannot be changed. You're restarting the game. Yes, we're gonna play. Now please sit back and enjoy the game. Alright, thank you. Character setting story and expectedly this game are purely the work fiction. Oh, where are we? Ah, wait, pause ko lang. So, parang di ko tayo black yung screen. Pwede naman pala may change. Hey. Damn! She kinda fine looking.
Are you sure about that?
Bitch. Damn, she fine. Sino to? Si Usopp?
It seems we have a guest with an intriguing destiny.
Damn! Merong voice lines. Di ko na kailangan magbasa. Ang galing. Let's go!
My name is Igor. I am delighted to make your acquaintance.
Igor ko. Basabag mo? Damn.
This place exists between dream and reality, mind and matter.
Okay, teka, pause ko muna. Alright, back. So, okay na. Sige.
It is a rule that only those who are bound by a contract may enter.
May enter.
It may be that such a fate awaits you in the near future.
What? Di nga.
Now, why don't you introduce yourself?
Eh, pwede pa naman. What do you mean introduce yourself? Pwede tayo kumuha ng names. So, okay, so... Lagay ko ba yung totoong pangalan dito? Sige. Pangalan ng channel ko. Yan. Tangkong bata, no? Grabe. Nung tapos na, ayoko i-bigil. Damn, okay, kailangan ko pa enter yung first name. Enter, hindi ko alam. Ito. Tawag sa akin ng tropa ko. Yan. Dantes Itanus. Itanus. Sige, pause ko lang. Mag-pause ako dahil
I see.
Sige. Damn, what kind of that power, bro?
In fortune telling.
No, I believe, ano. Baka fake yun.
Each reading is done with the same cards, yet the result is always different.
What? Bro, ba't parang itsura siyang addict dyan, no? Ayun, no? Parang siyang nagda-drugs.
Life itself follows the same
Ah, ano
principles,
niya?
doesn't it?
I don't know, man. I don't know. Baka ma-accident na natin yan yung video. Another.
Towering in the right position represents the immediate future. It seems
Gago. Damn, this. Damn, I'm kinda cooked right now. Wait, what? Hey, don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Alright, tower represents upright position represent.
The card indicating the future beyond
is this, bro?
In the upright position. This card represents hesitation and mystery. Very interesting
Hindi
indeed.
ako interesado.
It seems you will encounter a misfortune at your destination, and a great mystery will be imposed upon you. In the coming days, you will enter into a contract of some sort, after which you will return here. The coming here is a turning point in your destiny. If the mystery goes unsolved, your future may be forever lost. My duty is to
Okay,
provide
skip na.
assistance.
Napapagod na ako sa kakadaldal mo. Wala naman akong pakialam dyan. Just shut up. Oh, damn!
I aim to accompany you through your journey.
Damn, bro. Farewell. Yusuf, manahimik ka nga. Damn, smart girl, bro. Damn. Wait. What the fuck did I saw something?
You're tired of diets. Enough with going to the gym. Good thing there's something even I can handle.
Wala akong nakita, okay? Wala akong nakita.
He does have the eye of the tiger. Are you sure about that?
You mean, di kita kilala. Sino ka ba?
I'm Ryotaro Dojima.
Oh.
Let's see, I'm your mother's younger brother, and that about sums it up.
What the single... Wait, what? I think, it's nice to meet you.
You probably don't remember, but we've met. I've changed your diapers before, you know.
Wait, what?
This here's my daughter. Come on, Nanako. Introduce yourself to your cousin.
Cousin? Oh, wait, this Nanako doing gym, wait. Hello?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, shy.
What are you so shy for?
Damn, I don't know what's up. I think this kid is tired, bro.
Well then, let's get going. My car's over there.
Son. Oh, my back. Got in the car and headed for Dojima's house. Damn, what's this place? Moel? Moel? Ilabas na ito shop in this gas station.
Hi, welcome to Mole.
Can you go to the bathroom by yourself?
Damn.
It's in the back. To your... I know. Jeez.
Damn, this guy is
Are you
creepy,
taking
you
a
know.
trip?
This guy is creepy.
No, we just went to pick him up. He just moved here from the big city.
A city, huh?
Crack right now.
Are you in high school?
Of course, di mo nahanap ang dabit ko?
Does it surprise a city boy to see how little... There's so little to do. I'm sure you'll get bored fast. You'll either be hanging out with your friends or doing part-time jobs. Speaking of which, we're actually looking for part-time help right now.
Uy, talaga. Dito nga sa Pilipinas, kailangan ako ng trabaho eh.
Are you sure about that?
Charot.
Give it some thought, why don't you? We don't mind if you're a student.
Brother,
What's that? What's that, brother?
Hindi nga, sana nga magkaroon ng, ng ganyan sa Pilipinas eh. Ayaw magandang trabaho.
I should get back to work.
Okay, bye.
Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD. What?
Bakit?
Are you okay? Did you get car sick?
No, I did. Oh wait, what?
You don't look too good.
Pagod lang ako. Could it be exhaustion? Sabi said. So this is the Dojima's house. Or Dojima residence. Tama nga, residence nga. For the next year, this place will be your home. Let's go! Home na natin to. Fuck my parents. And soft drinks.
All right, let's have a toast.
Oh.
So, your mom and dad are busy as always. They're working overseas, was it?
So pagkakalam nito, overseas, ibig sabihin, seaman. Or abroad.
I know it's only for a year, but getting stuck in a place like this because of your parents? It's rough being a kid.
Yeah.
Well, it's just me and Nanako here, so it'll be nice having someone like you around. As long as you're here, you're part of the family, so make yourself at home.
Yes, sir ba? Or thank you for the kindness. Thank you for the kindness, sobra.
Come on, there's no need to be so formal.
Ba?
Look, you're making Nanako all tense.
What do you mean? Oh, she's
Well,
anxious.
Let's eat. Oh, who's calling at this hour?
I don't know, some creepy guy calling. I don't know.
Dojima speaking. Yeah? See. So where is it? Alright, I'm on my way. Looks like I made... Sorry, but I gotta go take care of some business. Go ahead and eat without me.
O, di akin na lang yung ulam mo. Akin na lang. Sige, akin na lang. Thank you.
I don't know how late I'll be. Nanako, you help him out, okay?
Okay.
Nanako, it's rain.
Skip na natin.
Alright.
Alright, story na naman. Magpo 14 minutes na, oh. Okay, so nag-skip ako. So, what does your dad do?
He investigates stuff. Like crime scenes.
Okay.
My dad's a detective.
Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD. What?
May gitawa tayo dito sa karakter natin.
Ano? Local nipples.
Kaya naman, bro. Nakakatakot.
You're too nice.
Anong cutting? Hey, what?
Aren't you going to eat?
So, yeah, so that's all for the gaming. So bye. I'm gonna save it.